In addition to being able to program multiple parts on a 3-axis vertical machining center, SOLIDWORKS CAM Pro can also be used for 3+1 and 3+2 machining on either a vertical or horizontal machining center. Here we can see a Tombstone setup for a horizontal machining center. On the operations tree, we can see there are 4 setups, one for each side of the Tombstone. Similar to what we saw earlier, I was able to import the CNC program from the SOLIDWORKS CAM part file to create the program you see here. I have a 4-axis machine selected. So now let's run simulation and look at how the parts would be machined using a horizontal machining center. I'll push the Run button to begin the simulation, and now we can see how the part's going to be machined. This Tombstone setup machines the first side of 2 of the parts at the 0 and 180 sides of the Tombstone, and the second side of 2 of the parts at the 90 and 180 sides of the Tombstone. As a result, 2 complete timing covers will come off the machine each time the cycle runs. SOLIDWORKS CAM Pro can also do collision detection against the Tombstone and against the parts and fixtures and the tool shank, and tool holder. And again, I can use this button to compare the machined models to the design models to make sure that everything has been machined correctly, and you can see everything in green is net to the design model. Where there is stock remaining on the 2 parts, where the first side has been machined, it's in blue, and the part has not been gouged. It would be in red if it had been. So I hope you're able to see how SOLIDWORKS CAM Pro can be used for 3+1 machining on a horizontal machining center. This concludes this presentation. Thank you for watching, and for more information, go to www.camworks.com.